MAPP is an acronym that stands for Mobilizing for Action Through Planning and Partnerships. It's a national model being used across the country in several localities to develop a community health assessment and a community health improvement plan. It's a 6-step model, and we're working our way through that model. We've been working on it the better part of this year, and we're hoping to finish it by the middle of 2014. We felt it was necessary that we needed a good roadmap for that, and this was a good process that we could use to do that. Through this process, we'll develop a community health assessment which will help us to identify strategic issues that we need to address. We started out with phase 1 was organizing for success. And what we did is we brainstormed some partners that we have in delivering public health services and some stakeholders involved in that. And we ended up with a group of about 100 different organizations are represented in our group now. We call that the CHAMP group, Community Health Action Mobilization Partnership. And this group is just kind of helping us as we move through the process. They're providing input into what they feel like we need to be doing, what direction we need to be going in, and how we go about doing that, how we involve the community even more. The second phase was developing a vision for our process. This was community driven, and so we held meetings in Ashland, Hallsville, and here in Columbia of community members just coming together and developing a vision that we came up with through that process was a vibrant, caring, diverse community in which all the individuals are able to achieve their optimal physical, mental, social, educational, spiritual, and cultural health. And so after that process was over, the third phase of the process is to do 4 smaller assessments that look at everything from what the strengths of the community are to how the local public health system does in delivering the essential services of public health, to what forces may be out there that would impact our efforts that we don't have any control over. From those, then we were able to move on into step 4, in which we develop our strategic issues. And those strategic issues are developed from the information, the data, and the analysis that we did in step 3 in these 4 assessments. We have a couple ways that people could get involved. January the 14th, we're going to have an open community forum at the ARC from 5 until 7. We would love to have their input, and that is the perfect opportunity for them to do that. And so they can come in and drop in anytime. There won't be any formal presentations or anything like that. There is an email address for this process, champ, that's CHAMP, @gocolumbiamo.com. We would love to hear from them on any ideas that they have about what kind of strategies we should have as far as moving forward, or if they would like to get involved. Certainly as we move into this action phase this spring, we would love to have their name down and know about their interest. And so that's a way that they can contact us.